Hi guys, it's Moz. Quick video tonight, nothing too special, but yesterday I received the email. The Airfix Club 2023 has now been launched. Hi guys, some of you may have seen this in an email, but I thought I'd put it out there. Airfix Club for 2023 is now live and we can now go and purchase our club membership. You get the email. Basically, it's going to be a Meteor. In the email, it came up saying a little workbench blog about it, but this is where we want to get to, is here. The new Airfix Club membership 2023, sign up now. So you click on sign up now and it will take you to this page saying welcome to the Airfix Club. Woohoo! And we're now here at Airfix Club, the actual main page. It says here, welcome to the Airfix Club. By joining the Airfix Club, a whole world of benefits opens to you. Rah, rah, rah. Basically, it's really based for the UK only to get the best benefit out of this. But they do have a rest of the world package, but I'll explain that a little bit below. So this year, to join up, Airfix Club membership 2023 is £30. Okay, so you add that to your basket and then everything, goes in motion. Here at the bottom, Airfix Club membership for the rest of the world. Upon sign up, members have access to 10% discount online, plus all the digital perks of the Airfix Club. Now it says here, it's operating a little differently for 2023. Rest of the world members will need to order the much desired red box separately, which includes the exclusive club kit, flying hour passport, welcome letter, keep calm poster, and remove before assembly flight tag. This can be purchased in your members area after sign up. So I think it means that you can buy it for 30 quid, but you have to pay the extra on the postage. This is what I'm getting because I'm not rest of the world. So anyone who's in the rest of the world who's bought this, leave a comment below and let me know how you got on. You have a club members area for exclusive club members stuff, but we won't go into that. But basically, this is the club package. What you get inside, obviously you're going to get that red box, but you will get a welcome letter. You get an exclusive club kit, which is the new tooled Gloucester Meteor FR9. You get a keep calm poster, flying hours passport, remove before assembly flight tag, and pin badge. I have the remove before assembly flight tag here. They really are quality. They really are. I've had one on my keys for the last year. This is another one that I was given. Mine's a bit mucky now, but this is a fresh one, which I probably will exchange for the dirty one for. But yeah, these are really good quality. They're really strong. And yeah, put them on your key rings and just put them out your pocket. A welcome return to the pin badge. There you go. I have an original one here in my hand, which I got from a previous membership. So they're bringing these back. Brilliant. So there's the tag and the badge. Plus you get exclusive products, which you see in the members area. You get 10% off all your kits. So if you spend, say, £300 over the next month on pre-orders for the new launch is happening on the 10th of January, you're going to get a 30 quid back. Easy. 10% off the Hornby Visitor Centre, so if you go and visit Hornby in Margate.
If this is hell, it looks a lot like Margate.
You will get 10% off in the shop. I don't know how they do it. I suppose they've got to put your name in their system because they no longer do the Airfix Club membership, which is quite strange because, as I said, I used to get the card once a year. I've covered up my membership number there. But I used to get a membership number on this card, but they no longer do that anymore, which is a shame. But that was because nobody was actually using the numbers. They weren't ever written down, apparently, according to Dale. You get the club magazines, which are brilliant. You get an annual wall calendar, there's competitions and member-only experiences. So let's break this down a little bit. Of course, you get your flying hour passport, which is one of these here. And basically, you cut the flying hours off the side of your model kits. They come in various 1s, 2s. I think there's a 3, a 4 and a 6. And somebody said there was an 8, but don't quote me on that. But yeah, and the more tokens you get, the bigger the kit, or more expensive the kit you get for free. All you've got to do is pay for the postage. I have done a video about this, which I will link up in the top right hand corner if you want to go and watch it. The exclusive kit, 2023 exclusive kit, the Meteor FR9 Special. One kit with 2 decal options. So then the first scheme is the 1-72 Gloucester Meteor FR9 number 8 Squadron Royal Air Force. I think he's called that Sarja, Trucial State, January 1958. And scheme 2 is this mammoth. And I ain't going to even attempt to say this. So I'm going to get on Google and I'm going to get him to sort of on my Mac and get him to speak it. So let's speak it for me.
Scheme 2, 1/72 Gloucester Meteor FR, 9 ESC, Combat A number 2111, Fusa Area Curatoriana, Truro Air Force Base, Ecuador, 1973.
Well, yeah, I wasn't going to make myself look like a bit of an arse face trying to say all that, because yeah, that's basically scheme number 2. Right, Club magazine. I love the Club magazine. I've got one here. There you go. So inside, and this isn't just like a 6-page, you know, flick through. This has got some real meat on the bone. This one, and this is the latest one, I think. It comes with about 30 pages every time. You get 3 of these a year, and you know, they give you some information about their kits in here. There's competitions as well, some box art. So at the moment, I think, yeah, these are the 2 competitions. You could win a Titanic, or you can win the Bad Tempered Bear Brumbar. And all you do is go onto the members area, which I've already showed you a link to. You get that anyway when you sign up, because it's all linked to the the Airfix website. And then you can have a look, and then you've got members gallery. Yeah, it's really good. Look at that for box art, eh? Box art, Dornier. So there you go. So there's the Airfix Club magazine. You get the calendar. Mine is happily hung on the wall, and I use it all the time. I got had last year, so this one came in December. So if you sign up now, you won't get the calendar till the December. So yeah, and it's worth buying. You know, it's worth having anyway on your wall. Think they're pictures of modelers who have sent their pictures in to be put on the calendar. Also, there's a little bit of bump at the bottom here for Models for Heroes, a fantastic charity. If you don't wish to, or you can't be asked to do the old flying hours things, you can basically send your flying hours to Models for Heroes, and then they get those tokens, and they will then exchange them for model kits. And remember that Models for Heroes is a charity who provide model kits as a meaningful activity that promotes well-being, skill development and social interaction within the armed forces and emergency services. Brilliant charity. I recommend you support that in any way you can. And that's it really. That is the Airfix Club. I will do an unboxing of this when it arrives on my doorstep, but I thought right now, here it is, and I will link below and pin the comment for a link to buy the Airfix Club for you to become a member. Anyways, that's it from me. If you like the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, ring that bell, select all, and you'll be notified when I release a new video, and you'll never miss another video again. Any questions, any comments, put them in the box below, because I do reply. And if you wish to help the channel financially, you can now become a channel member, like the folks here on the screen now. If you click join, you have an option to become a member, and the money that I get for that goes back into producing content for this channel. And a huge thank you to my channel members. And that's it. Have a good one, guys. See you on the 10th of January for the Airfix launch. We'll be live streaming on that day. And that's it.